Alright, so we're changing tires on a Triumph today for a customer. And I'm coming over here to do the front, and none of my Allens fit. They're all too small. The biggest one I think is a 12 millimeter, 12 or 14. So, some Chevy Silverado lug nuts here. Fit perfect. I forget what size they are. I think they're 13/16, which equals to 19 or 20 millimeter. I don't remember. So I got two Silverado lug nuts threaded onto this bolt, and we're going to weld them up right here in the middle, and we're going to make our own Allen wrench socket tool. So let's get to it. Okay, grounded, and we're about to melt it. I would try and show welding, but I don't want to mess up my phone, so we're going to have to pause it here. Alrighty, all welded up. Just need to get this thing to cool off now, and we'll see how she goes. Welds aren't the greatest, I just slapped it together real quick. I didn't even wire wheel anything, but it'll hold up for taking an axle loose, hopefully. Okay, our new tool is cooled off, ready to use. Fits in nice. And it's not 13/16, it's actually 7/8. So there we go. I already broke the axle loose though. Weld holds. Look at that. See? Nothing fancy. It took me about maybe like 7 minutes to find the hardware and get my welder out. Get it done. Here's my welding setup. Old shopping cart. Got my Lincoln 225 and my awesome little titanium 125 inverter welder. Really nice setup. I love this welder. It's super easy to use, and it only weighs like 20 pounds. It's super convenient. But yeah, that's how we're making tools. Why buy when you can build? Thanks for watching.